Hey everybody, just a quick look at this IBM correcting Selectric 2. This is being sold for parts or repair, and I'll show you why in a minute. Just want to give you a quick look at it here. It's in pretty good, decent shape. Does have some wear, just from regular, normal use along the edge, especially. Right here is the most major part. But again, it does show a little bit of wear from use. Some of the corners. So that's that. All the keys obviously are present and accounted for. So let me show you what it does when you turn it on. So that's the issue with it. I'm not a typewriter guy. I don't know if this is a quick fix, a long fix, but just wanted to make sure that everyone was aware of the issues that this is having right now. And thanks for watching.